Today we've got a fancy package that's real metal. We have Will as well here today because he's an expert on what we're going to be talking about today. He's basically going to break it down for us a little bit. Round of applause for Will being here because you guys haven't seen him in a while. And here's the thing. When he heard I was going to be talking about this product, he all of a sudden stormed in here, sprinted over here, pushed me slightly so that he could be in this location. So when that all transpired, I was like, you know what? He must know something about it because muscled his way in. One of the cool things about having a case like this is you get to do this.
Very satisfying.
Oh, we should probably mention, this is not the retail packaging.
Yeah, no.
Should probably just let you know as well. Ooh, look at that. Edge security is the future of home security. The new thing here, the eufyCam S330, this is the one we've got all over the studio now. Is that correct?
Yeah, I set it up recently.
Easy.
Pretty proud of that.
Flexing.
Yeah.
He's been all over the studio. I just see him up in the little corners all over the place just with a screwdriver. He just kind of looks at me out the side of his eye and I kind of give him one of those and then he winks at me. So we're very secure around here. Now what's cool about this, dual cameras, double security, you love that product. You love the S330.
Yeah, so this is meant for packages. So you have the person who's delivering and you see the package that's on the floor. Dual cameras.
Or anybody who's crafty and thinks they're gonna like duck underneath or like do something weird below the camera line. Crafty types, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Everything goes into the S380 HomeBase, which is gonna act as your hub for all your variety of devices. Floodlight cams for outdoors. Giant floodlights come on, those can be scary. And you also have a video smart lock.
And that's the new version. I have the old one. This one's a lot better. I want it.
Okay, so he wants that one. Is that a fingerprint on the top as well?
Yeah.
You have tech in your pocket. You need tech at your house as well. If you've got a variety of devices from all over the place, it can get a bit messy. But with this centralized hub and Eufy's entire ecosystem, it's really seamless to put it together. Even Will can do it. Okay, so. Man, that's some frustration-free packaging right there. Family recognition, 95% false alarm reduction because it gets to know the individuals who are frequently unlocking the door. 6 months of battery life.
And you can also hardwire it. So it's just unlimited battery, I guess.
It's an option for you. Two-way audio, so you can speak to the individual at the door. Have you ever used this feature?
I have, yeah. They were Jehovah's Witnesses.
Oh, geez. Did you guys speak the good word to each other?
Sure, yeah. Let's just say that.
Okay, you love this. No hidden fees.
Yeah. You buy the product and then you don't have to pay for a subscription. That's a big plus. I think that matters a lot.
He tells me this every time. He's like, all you gotta do, you get the eufy this or the eufy that. It's no subscription required. It's a one-time deal. 2K with HDR. I believe the local storage is actually expandable, so you can have as much of it as you want. You can have years worth of storage if you choose. And then the package delivery that's solid. Ooh. 160-degree wide viewing angle. That looks like the microphone right there. This is going to be your doorbell button.
Very satisfying as well.
Yeah. Down firing camera units right there. This, you can maneuver that.
Oh, right, yeah.
Did you know that?
I did.
It's subtle, but it could make a difference. This is going to be our USB port, which has a little rubber gasket on it. So that's going to give you a charge for 6 months.
That's to power if you want to use wires.
Right around here.
Yeah.
Just run the wire around there. There is that 15-degree wedge. That's a flat one. So it's your choice. Ooh, look at this. So we have our wiring kit, a couple of morettes in there, our screws as well as our plugs. This little tool is for removal. We have an abundance of stickers, so you can tell the world you are monitored 24/7. Send a message. Now, getting in and out of the house, I mean, we can't be using those old-fashioned keys and things like that.
No, that would be ridiculous. Of course, yeah.
You're a modern man. Your wallet is attached to your phone right now.
It's convenient.
Okay, see everything smart lock. This also has a camera in it too. 2K resolution, 0.3 second recognition.
It's fast.
Also, no monthly fees associated. Entrance and exit log. You know, everybody that actually came in and out of the house. Integrates with a video doorbell. It's almost like your Tesla or something. Your house becomes a Tesla. Ooh, this one is possibly even more robusto. Damn, this is metal. Holy, that's a tank. Wow.
Don't mess around.
Button for ringing an actual noise to come through to the user on the inside.
I almost feel like it can flip out. Or...
Yeah, right here.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
You're so happy about that. We have a hidden key functionality. This thing is really well gasketed for weather. You have your PIN code option over here as well as your fingerprint. So that's what you're really about.
Super convenient too.
Have you felt this thing? Like, holy cow, it's robust.
Oh, this is heavy.
Now this is the portion that goes on the inside, and that's actually gonna control your lock. Cool, so inside here, that's a battery pack. It says 10,000 milliamp hour lithium ion. Ah, here it is. The battery has its own Type-C connector, so we can just pull this out and then charge it independently, and then bring it back over here. Slide the cover over. Cool, that's easy enough. Oh, more stickers. Your house is gonna be plastered. 12 on the front glass. I'm really protected. You best get out of here. We've also got our keys. That's gonna be your backup. We have our deadbolt. Look, man, we have all the hardware you can possibly need for installation. This is kind of nice. Look at this. It even has personality. It looks like a little robot.
Oh, there you go.
Going, yay. And you're just gonna find an outlet for that. It could be near the front door. Could be towards the kitchen. Wirelessly, you're going to hear a tone whenever the button is pressed. If your phone's not near you or something like that, you would be alerted to somebody being at the door. Even without a home hub, right out of the box with this unit, you got an SD card slot on here, and so you are still capable of storing your videos locally and saving your fingerprints. Look, right there, it says, better together with the Edge security ecosystem, expected to be compatible with HomeBase 3 in November 2022. It's right now. That's happening right now. And look at the expansion of this ecosystem. It's out of control over here. Unlimited wire-free power in 4K detail.
And solar power. It's exciting.
I like that. You never touch this thing. You never recharge it. That's incredible.
Yeah, no more wiring. And
That's
it also
incredible.
Has a battery inside as well.
That's incredible. Just 2 hours of direct sunlight provides unlimited power. This is what you need. This is what we wanted out of solar. Just don't even think about it. It was like the calculator. I mean, we had the calculator, and then we waited how long for everything else?
Yeah.
It's a dream come true. It has a 13,000 milliamp hour battery inside, which lasts 365 days. It's already going for a year? What? And you can startle intruders with a spotlight, also built in.
Oh, yeah.
Unbelievable stuff. You start with 16 gigs of storage, and if that's not enough, you can plug in a hard drive for years worth of videos. We actually have a hard drive sitting over there. We got the HomeBase 2 cameras in this kit. You know what? I was expecting it was gonna need to be more hefty than that. So we have our sensors on the front, our 4K capable camera. You can see the spotlight. This is gonna be your solar panel on the top. Over here, we have our mounting location. If I lift up this flap, that's your Type-C connector. We get 2 of these units. And I kind of actually like that it says 4K on the side. This is going to tell people, damn, he's got some decent resolution there as well.
Legit.
He's probably going to see the details of my vehicle or something. You combine this level of security with Otis barking, you're all set, man. This, oh, even this is smaller than I expected it to be. That's your hub that sits in the middle of all of it. Insert a hard drive to expand the capacity. Enjoy expansive, safe, local storage.
And what's great about that hard drive is all of these products work and store data into there.
This is just a little cover. It exposes your hard drive slot, single screw. We have our sync. We have actually 2 USB-As and an Ethernet port, and also a port for power. Oh, we have a Linus Tech Tips appearance. With the ratcheting. You're a big ratchet guy.
I like ratchets.
And here we have an inexpensive 2.5-inch drive. That's 1 terabyte of storage. And up to you, expandable to whatever degree you want.
Screws here.
Yeah, so all you have to do is just line up the 4 holes. This is a decent screwdriver line is put together over
Oh,
here.
yeah? Okay.
slide it in like that. Our safety screw in there to keep the tray locked down. And now we have 1 terabyte of storage for all of our different devices to feed to. Our exterior cameras, our doorbell cameras, our doorbell smart lock, possibly other exterior cameras such as the floodlight camera or whatever other variety of eufy products that can integrate with this system, which is now, it's kind of enormous, to be honest.
It's quite robust.
And I notice right now they have their Black Friday section already populating with codes. I mean, there's a deal on this unit right now on the website. We'll put the details in the description. You've been using this product for a while now. You've become kind of a fan, or maybe even a fanboy.
I like eufy products. I think they're very easy to install.
Right?
I think they're robust.
Right.
And there's many products.
Yes.
So you can kind of pick and choose, and then you can save that footage
Right.
into the hard drive. And there's no subscription, which I like.
You came back to the no subscription.
I had to, yeah.
That's a key for you. You're all subscribed
Big
out.
fan.
You have no more space for any more subscription. He really hasn't shut up about this stuff. I'm not gonna lie. He's like, we gotta just replace those cameras with the eufy cameras. The resolution is so much better. He's yelling at everybody. Thank goodness we got a bunch of new equipment from them so we can rectify the situation. He can stop yelling at Mo. Mo can stop with all the complaints to the human resources department that we don't have.
I thought Otis was HR.
Technically, I don't know if he counts. Oh, that deal that I'm looking at right there is actually this exact kit that I unboxed, including the 1 terabyte drive. The Black Friday stuff is already happening. Go check it out for yourself if you've been looking to upgrade your system. He'll just put it in his pocket. It's all. That works too. It works for Will. The rest of us, well, we have to order it online.